Hello everyone, and in this series we're gonna cover the option button. We're gonna create one video for the UI, which will be this video, one video for button interaction and scroll bars, and one video for setting graphics, setting resolution and stuff, and maybe there will be another video for changing volume and stuff inside your game. But this one is for the option UI. So we're gonna disable this UI and we're gonna go to UI canvas and create UI panel, and we're gonna go into scene, panel, 2D, and this will be our panel area. So we're gonna take our project, and in the assets we had simple, fantasy, PNG, and we had not this one, maybe it's here, yeah, menu box, no, not menu box, crest panel, sorry, yeah, we're gonna go with the menu box. So let's go and drag it in, menu box, and put up the resolution, or not the transparency. So here we're gonna have some text, here we're gonna have some buttons, and when we click those buttons up will come some options. So we will need a text, UI text, and we're gonna scale it up a bit and say options, yeah, I'm gonna make it 55, and we're gonna change the color to white, and we're gonna change the font to materials. I'm gonna go a bit in here, I'm gonna say middle, and we're gonna pivot to the top middle. Then we're gonna take the position Y and drag it down like this. There we go. We want it like this, and then we're gonna make a new panel, and this panel gonna be the bottom holder. So going to do like this, and gonna make another panel which will be like here. We all have all the options, so depending on what we are gonna click, we have the options over here, and we're gonna have a scroll bar. So UI scroll bar, and I want it to be horizontal or vertical, sorry. So I'm gonna change it from top to bottom, move it out, make it a bit bigger, up, this. So in this button holder options panel, and here we have, like, this could be our video settings panel. So in this one, I'm gonna take PNG inventory, and we're gonna take this one in here, gonna make it so you can see it like that. I'm gonna do the same for the video settings bar. Gonna push it over here, turn it up, go into the scroll bar, take I actually like this color. You can use this for the background, and for the handle we can take like the same one, but gonna change it so it will be more dark, like this. So this is the handle and this is the bar, and then we're gonna go into the button holder and create UI button, and we're gonna take this button and call it the text video, and we're gonna take PNG menu panel and go to the button and take the button and put in like this. Oh, not this one, sorry. Go into PNG and loading and take the loading panel for loading button like this. I'm gonna scale it up like this, out, this, and then we're gonna go to the text. I'm gonna change it to white. Maybe I'm gonna add it to 40. Okay, this will be our button, and you can add, like here on the text, a shadow, and the same with this text, add a shadow. And what it does is make like a little black shadow behind it, so it makes it easier to read. You can change the settings down here to like 5 and -5, depending on how you want it, but default is fine, but generally maybe you want like this. So okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this video button and we're gonna duplicate it. So we're gonna Control D, Control D, Control D, and we're gonna have a sound button. We're gonna have a controller button, and we're gonna have keep. Not sure what we're gonna have here. We have others. I'm not sure what we're gonna have there. And then we're gonna take this one. No, it's not. Okay, we're gonna add a component vertical layout group. I'm gonna set it to be like, it could be in the height as well, in the middle center, like this. And then we're gonna change all the texts. So this one will be sound or volume, depending on what you want. I can take this one and call it controller. I can take this one and call it other. Well, this can actually be our back. Yeah, we needed a back button, so back. And of course, again, you can just add more buttons. Like if you duplicate this one, it's just gonna jump in and align itself. So